Hey, good morning guys. Rich D here, John Sinclair Nissan. So today I wanted to demonstrate for you the proper way to replace your windshield wiper blades on a Nissan. Now for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm using a Nissan Rogue, but the same procedure works on all of our Nissan line. So first thing you're going to want to do is either turn the vehicle on or have it in the accessory position. I want to get a little closer here so you can see. The second thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push up on your windshield wiper stalk twice succession very quickly. This puts the windshield wiper blades into the service position. Now once they're in the service position, you can lift up on the wiper arms, and then there is a tab under here that you'll press in, and once you press in on that tab, you can slide the wiper blade out like so. Once you've replaced the wiper blade, you'll slip it back in until you hear it lock into position, and then once it's locked in, you can put the wipers back down, touching your windshield, and then the only thing left to do is to push up on the windshield wiper stalk once, and that brings them back down to the ready position, and you're completed. Thank you. Have a great day.